Inputs of monitor and control project work. Project management plan. Monitoring and controlling project work involves looking at all aspects of the project. Any component of the project management plan may be an input for this process. Project documents. Project documents that can be considered as inputs for this process include assumption log. The assumption log contains information about assumptions and constraints. Basis of estimates. Basis of estimates indicates how the various estimates were derived. Cost forecasts. The cost forecasts determine if the project is within defined tolerance ranges for budget. Lessons learned register. The lessons learned register may have information on effective responses for variances. Milestone list. The milestone list shows the scheduled dates for specific milestones. Quality reports. The quality report includes quality management issues, recommendations for product improvements, corrective actions recommendations, includes rework, defect and bugs repair, and 100% inspection. Risk register. The risk register provides information on threats and opportunities that have occurred during project execution. Risk report. The risk report provides information on the overall project risks. Schedule forecasts. The schedule forecasts determine if the project is within defined tolerance ranges for schedule. Issue log. We mention in direct and managed project work that the issue log is an output to that process and that any problem should be captured in the issue log when it occurred. The project manager has to review the issue log in monitor and control project work process so that he can assign owners for the problems that are captured in the issue log. Of course, part of the information already recorded in the issue log includes the name of the person who raised the issue, the date the issue was captured, and a description of the issue. Other information that should be documented in the issue log includes the name of the person assigned to the issue, priority of the issue, target resolution date, status, and final resolution. Therefore, in monitor and control project work, it is time for the project manager to assign an owner to follow up on the issue. Work performance information. To become work performance information, the work performance data are compared with the project management plan components. Performance data are collected during the project through the controlling processes and compared to the plan and other variables to provide a context for work performance. For example, work performance data on cost may include funds that have been expended. However, to be useful, that data has to be compared to the budget, the work that was performed, the resources used to accomplish the work, and the funding schedule. This additional information provides the context to determine if the project is on budget or if there is a variance. Therefore, the project manager can share work performance information with the sponsor and stakeholders because work performance data is a raw data and does not give any indication of how the project is doing. Agreements. A procurement agreement includes terms and conditions and may incorporate other items that the buyer specifies regarding what the seller is to perform or provide. Enterprise environmental factors. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence the monitor and control project work process include project management information systems such as scheduling, cost, resourcing tools, performance indicators, databases, project records, and financials. Infrastructure such as existing facilities and equipment, stakeholders' expectations and risk thresholds, and regulatory agency regulations, product, quality, and workmanship standards. Organizational process assets. The organizational process assets that can influence the monitor and control project work process include organizational standard policies, processes, and procedures, financial controls procedures such as required expenditure, issue management procedures defining issue controls, identification, and resolution, defect management procedures defining defect control, identification, and resolution, monitoring and reporting methods, and organizational knowledge base, such as the Lessons Learned repository. The Lessons Learned repository is an archive of knowledge gained from past projects, which can be used to improve performance of the current project. It is a good resource for companies that took long period in business to learn from the problems that happened in the past and apply those lessons learned to the current project. So the project needs to be improved the utilization of organizational knowledge base so that he can apply previous project lessons. This can be improved by holding lessons learned meetings, conducting retrospectives, and updated organizational knowledge base.